Hey everybody, it's Mopsy, your favorite friend in pink and yellow. Are you ready to play, learn, and grow? Come on, let's go! Here I am. Today, we're here in New York City. Get out of here! Wow! Just kidding, we're in Post Falls, Idaho, at the NYPD, the New York Pizza Department. We're gonna see if we can get some pizza today. Come on, let's go! Wowee! Look at this big pizza shop. It's so beautiful and it looks like it has a lot of good, delicious pizza. I'm feeling really hungry. Let's sit down and have some pizza. Look at these big tables and so many toppings for our pizza and napkins for our face when it gets so messy with all the food. This looks so fun, but wait, I am missing pizza. Come on, let's go see if we can get some. Let's go. This is my friend Glenn. He owns New York Pizza Department. Glenn, can we order some pizza today?
Of course you can, but how about let's make some?
What? That sounds super fun. That's a great idea. Let's do it.
Come on back.
Okay, come on.
But first, have to wash your hands.
Great idea, Glenn.
Okay?
We have to keep our bodies healthy and the food healthy too. Here's some soap. Oh, pink soap. That's my favorite color. Lots of bubbles. Okay.
Next, you get to put on your rubber glove.
All right, all 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside this glove.
So, we're gonna make a 14-inch pizza today.
Okay, sounds fun.
You have to roll it in flour first. Otherwise, it will stick.
Wow, look at all that flour. That's like a whole tub of snow over there.
Yes. Rolling pin.
That's a giant rolling pin. What do you use the rolling pin for?
To roll out your dough. Or hit something.
And what shape is it going to be?
Hopefully round.
It looks like it's going to be round. Round pizza, like a big circle. Wowee! Look at that pizza sauce. What color is this pizza sauce? It's the color red. Red pizza sauce. It goes right in the middle of the pizza.
And then we have to swirl it.
Oh, swirl. That's a fun word to say. Swirl. Woo! Swirl.
Swirl that pizza sauce. The red sauce goes all around the pizza dough.
Then we have to put mozzarella cheese.
Ooh, mozzarella. That's a fun word too.
Mozzarella.
White cheese goes on top of the red sauce. Wow. So neat.
I'm going to let you top it with whatever toppings you'd like to put on your pizza.
Yay, that's so fun. Okay. Let's see what toppings we have here today.
We have pepperoni, sausage, salami, Canadian bacon, which is also known as ham, black olives, mushrooms, onions, and bell peppers.
Wow, these are beautiful toppings and so many colors. Let's do some onion. I like onion on my pizza. We can sprinkle some onion on this side. And maybe a different topping on the other side. That sounds fun.
Yes.
Okay, purple onion on one side and some pepperoni on the other side. Okay, here we go. Ooh, look. These pepperonis are a circle shape, just like our pizza. Here we go. We're gonna put pepperoni right on top. And let's count how many pepperonis we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 pepperonis on our pizza. That's so many pepperonis. Okay, I think that's all the time.
Is that all? Okay. Now we have to throw it in the oven and cook it.
Okay, here we go. Let's go to the oven. So this is where the pizzas go in?
Yes.
And this is where they get super hot and the cheese gets super melty?
Yes, it is.
What? Oh my goodness, look how big that oven is. It's really hot. You better stand back and keep your body super safe. But it's so cool. Wowee. Bye, pizza. See you when you're all cooked. Wowee! Our pizza is all ready to go. Let's look at this beautiful round pizza with all our toppings and melted cheese. Will you spell the word pizza with me? It is such a fun word to say. Pizza. P-I-Z-Z-A. Pizza. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to cut this pizza and eat it all up. We're gonna cut this round circle pizza into 8 triangle shapes. Glenn, will you help me cut this pizza into triangles?
Sure.
Thank you. Wowee. Okay, let's count our triangles.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 triangles. I'm gonna pick a really yummy one to put on my tray and eat. Let's do it. Wow, this looks so tasty. Thank you so much, Glenn.
You're very welcome.
And hey, Glenn, if I ever want to own a pizza shop myself one day, what things would I need to do that?
Have a love for making product, a lot of hard work, and determination.
Those are really good tips. Thank you, Glenn. This was so much fun. I can't wait to eat my pizza. Let's go. This looks so good. I can't wait to take a big bite of this pizza. Thank you, everybody, for coming to play, learn, and grow with me today at the New York Pizza Department. Making a pizza with you was so much fun. Maybe someday you'll own your own pizza shop too, and I'll even come visit you. That would be so fun. But until then, parents, remember to subscribe and be sure to visit mopsy.tv for more fun with Mopsy. Okay, everybody, goodbye.